Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm part of the LSAC team.
I'm Bobby from LSAC, and I help manage and support App OnTrack.
App OnTrack is a structured step-by-step guide that removes the cognitive burden of the application process so applicants can focus on what actually matters, telling their story and showcasing their skills. We pair curated resources with built-in accountability to turn an overwhelming process into clear, bite-sized tasks that fit into real lives.
We built App OnTrack for a couple of different reasons. One of the primary ones is because the application process can feel so overwhelming at times. We recognize that as candidates are applying that, sometimes it's hard to make sense of something that has so many different components. There's a lot of information on the internet about how to apply to law school, but sometimes it can be really difficult to discern. And so we wanted the users of App OnTrack to really have access to a trusted source where they could get information about how to apply to law school.
App OnTrack is different because it's not just more advice, it's better structure. We break the application down into clear, achievable steps, paired with curated resources, personalized planning, and gentle accountability that keeps you moving forward. Structure creates momentum. In our experience, when applicants can clearly focus on what's next, confidence rises and stress drops. That's the difference. App OnTrack doesn't ask you to do more. It helps you do what matters on time with clarity.